Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Polkadot or DOT. Polkadot is currently at the $6 level. We are currently ranked at 13th with a market cap of about $8.53 billion. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $130 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Polkadot. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So in the last 1 week, Polkadot is down 11.8%. And in the last 24 hours, Polkadot is down about 2.7%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? And so we're on the chart right here for Polkadot versus the USD dollars. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And the first thing we love to see on the channel is that prices move from level to level, level to level, level to level, right? And so we said Polkadot has been respecting our levels. And as you can see, we have been tracking Polkadot right there from the bottom. The moment we saw prices go above our macro EMA right here, the purple EMA, we were saying Polkadot was bullish. As you can see, our EMAs, our trend EMA turned bullish, and then we went above our macro EMA, right? We also went above the bull market EMA, this black line, black EMA right here. And as you can see, since when we flipped bullish on the channel, we have been up on our Polkadot positions 130%, right? When we began to see this sort of push to the downside, I made a video called warning signals, right? Because we were seeing our EMAs flipping, and as you can see, we have flipped, right? But I'm going to tell you what is going to happen next right here for Polkadot, right? I believe Polkadot is coming back to retest the bull market EMA, right? And so we could see one more push to the downside, right, to retest the bull market EMA right here at the $5.8 level. And this is your last opportunity to accumulate even more Polkadot, right? Because next we are going to see some sort of massive push to the upside right here. Minimum we are still expecting is the $11 or $11.7 to the upside, right? So we could see one more dump, and I'll tell you one of the reasons why we are still expecting one more dump into this $5.8 level before we see this sort of massive push to the upside, right? And while we're expecting that this little pullback into this $5.8 level, then we could see this massive push, right? If we just look at the volume profile, as you can see, with the bears are still in control. We are still seeing selling price action from the bears. So with a very likelihood, we could see another push into this $5.8 level before we see that bounce. Another reason right here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been following this pattern right here, which we have been monitoring. This is Bitcoin on the 3 days time frame. And one of the things you would notice is right here, every time we see on the cross on the MACD, Bitcoin usually touches the bottom of the Bollinger Band before we see the bounce. Same thing right here, MACD cross. We saw Bitcoin touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band and then bounce. Same thing right here. Bitcoin, so we saw a cross on the MACD. Bitcoin touched the bottom of the Bollinger Band and then bounce. Same thing right here. See a cross on the MACD. Bitcoin touched the bottom of the Bollinger Band and then bounce, right? And currently, we have seen that cross on the 26th of December, right? So we are expecting Bitcoin to touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which is around the $38,000 level, before we see that massive bounce to the upside, right? So we are expecting one last push to the downside right here for Polkadot. This would be your last opportunity to accumulate more Polkadot before we see that massive bounce to the upside, right? So that is our template, or that is our level which we are expecting one more push to the downside. That is your opportunity to accumulate more Polkadot, and we could see that massive push to the upside, right? So that is the update right here for Polkadot. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.